I'm in Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm taking a tuk-tuk to the flower market. And as you can see behind me, it's very shaky and certainly very noisy. And well, that's the nature of a tuk-tuk here in Bangkok. It's a very convenient and inexpensive way to get around. It can hold up to 3 people, and you're guaranteed a very interesting ride. As you can see, the traffic is very close to the tuk-tuk. You're weaving in and out. You got people, you got bikes, you got motorcycles, other taxis. Everything's just happening so fast. Whoa! Let's see if we get there in one piece. Let's go.
The ride in a tuk-tuk was very noisy and bumpy, lasted 25 minutes, and cost about $3 US. I was very excited to finally be at the famous Bangkok flower market. It comes as no surprise that flowers are prepared and sold here, but there are also a wide selection of food stalls selling all types of fresh fruit, traditional Thai meals, and different fruit drinks. Just before boarding the taxi boat back to my hotel, I was very excited to catch a local soccer game right outside the flower market. And since I didn't want to miss the boat back, I had to leave the game a bit early. The boat taxis in Bangkok ride up and down the Chao Phraya River and stop at dozens of locations all along the riverbank. For 8 baht or 20 US cents, it's a great way to see many of Bangkok's temples that sit along the river. Since most of the passengers are Thai, it's a great way to meet some local people while you wait for your stop. It's a good idea to keep one ear on the whistle, or you might just miss your stop.